Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status without screen recording. Let's get started. WhatsApp has been testing a feature that allows users to add music directly to their status. But since this feature is not available to everyone yet, I'll show you an alternative way to do it using Instagram. To begin, you'll need an Instagram account. Open the Instagram app and go to the Messenger section. Open any chat with a friend you usually talk to. Now, to ensure that both the video and the music audio are saved to your gallery, tap on the camera icon and select a video or photo that you'd like to add music to. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top and select Music. Browse or search for the song you want to attach. If you want to display the song's lyrics, keep tapping on the screen until they appear. Once done, enable the Allow Replay option at the bottom left, then send the video. After the video is sent, long press on it and select Save. This will save the video along with the music to your gallery. Now, open WhatsApp and go to the Status section. Tap on the camera icon. Select the video you just saved and post it. Once uploaded, both the video and audio will play on your status. And that's how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status without using screen recording. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.